welcome to Children Special. Oh, today my kaleidoscope was broken. So I thought why not to make it new? Let's DIY. First, let's see through it in the opposite way on how it looks like. Oops, it looks like some honey beehive. Yeah, and there we go. This is how it looks. I'm adjusting the levels. And then see my hands, how it looks. Oh my god. Okay, now it's time to DIY. Let's begin. For that, first we need some broken bangles. I've got some few of different colors. Now it's time to break them. Oh, be careful while breaking it. Don't hurt your hands. Take help of your parents if you require. Now, ta-da! We have got some 9 pieces of it, and I'm placing it into the small container which was there in my kaleidoscope. Before I place all of them into the container, make sure you subscribe and like. Okay, yeah. Now it's done. Now I'm placing it on the top and bringing this part down. Yep, it's done. Now I'm lifting it up and let's place the other piece over here. And I've got the piece to close it, but then it's not too strong, so I thought of taping it. Let's tape. Okay, in this gap, you all subscribe and like to the video. Yeah, for more DIYs like this. Okay. Yeah, it's done now. Okay, let's check it how it works. I'll show you those. Yeah. But the brightness is not too good. Oh, wait. Oh, see those patterns. Wow, how beautiful it is. Oops, it's changing. It's changing. And, okay. Let's see it in light. Okay. Come on, look at it. Look at it. Look. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And okay, I'll stop talking. You watch those beautiful illustrations.